I'm kind of used to people criticizing about my choice in tools and my Stanley tools. If you look at my latest toolbox tour, you'll see quite a few Stanley tools, almost everything. And my answer is always the same. If people criticize me, go fuck yourself. Because I bought the tools, that's what I want. They're not doing anything for me. They haven't bought me my tools. So, what the hell? There are people that only buy Snap-on tools, Mac tools, Cornwell tools. That's their decision, even though I don't fully agree with their decision, because I don't see the sense in your tools being worth more than the car that you're working on. Because I can fix a car just fine with one of my Stanley ratchets that someone else can fix with a Mac Tools ratchet. So, that's just a fact. If you give me a Snap-on ratchet, I can fix it the same exact way. There is going to be no difference in how I fix my car. So that's about all I have to say about that. But what are your preference for tools? I'm not going to criticize you for it. I'm not going to talk down about you for it. Oh, that's too cheap. That's too expensive. I've seen some people buying Hyper Tough tools from Walmart. Their tool brand, that's fine, whatever. Do for yourself, that's it. Because the only one that is gonna criticize you the worst is you. So let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and all that jazz.